Thank you for your purchase of the BITEHARDER track tension and alignment tool. Please follow these instructions in conjunction with your owner's manual to set factory spec tension, gap, and alignment. Correct track tension and alignment will provide better overall performance and uniform track component wear. The kit includes a threaded tool body and a T-block that will be positioned on the tool for your specific tension and track gap. For best results, it is preferable to have your track warm, but the process can be done with a cold track. Assure your snowmobile is not running and that any tethers or keys are removed. Before we begin, please reference your owner's manual and note 3 items for your model: gap or slack, tension or weight, and the measurement point from the rear idler wheel shaft center. If the track tension/weight is 12 pounds or under, you will use a calculation track, gap, or slack plus 0.5 to get your T-block position setting. For this setting, please be sure to have the raised portion of the T-block facing up like this. If the track tension/weight is over 12 pounds, you will use a different calculation. That calculation is track, gap, or slack divided by your track tension or weight and multiplied by 20. For this setting, the raised portion of the T-block will face down. All of this information is available on the package your tool came in. Once you have your proper settings, raise the rear of your sled so the track can spin freely, about 6 inches or more off the ground. Loosen the rear idler shaft bolt and release the current tension on the track by loosening the lock nuts on the track adjusting screws. For this example, the manufacturer's specifications for this 2020 Polaris Indy XC are 7/8 to 1 1/8 inch of slack with 10 pounds of tension. Using the average between 7/8 and 1 1/8 inch is 1 inch. That's the number we'll use. Since the tension or weight is under 12 pounds, the T-block will be positioned with the raised surface up, aligned with the 1.5 mark on the tool body. Place the T-block at the specified distance from the rear idler wheel shaft center location on the track as specified in your owner's manual. Remember, orientation of the T-block is critical. From below the track, thread the tool body into the T-block with the red line tension pin pointing up. Stop at your predetermined position. Turn the track adjuster screw on the same side as the tool is located and tighten the track until the tension pin red line is even with the top of the tool body. Move to the opposite side of the track and repeat this process. Your track is now set for the correct gap, tension, and alignment. Tighten the lock nuts on the adjuster screws and tighten the idler wheel shaft bolt to the torque specified in your owner's manual. With the sled still raised, start the engine and rotate the track slowly to verify track operation and alignment. For more information and compatible products, visit BITEHARDER.com and remember to ride safe.